G'day guys, how are you? Sunday here, just chilling out on the Sunday. Just made some naan bread to go with my buttered chicken. This is my dough here. I'll give you that recipe sometime when I'm in the camper. Easy recipe to make, beautiful. So what we've got here is I've been spying kaka that have been coming from a place called in the Park, which they released a lot of kaka, and now they're starting to come into the city a bit. And so we've had about 4 or 5 around here. I seem to see them at 6 o'clock at night. So what I've done is I've put a recording of kakas on loudspeaker out the window to see if I can attract them. And I don't know if it's going to work, but if it doesn't, I'll insert a picture and some info just after this, and my footage I got of them in the dark, and you can hear them chirping about. They're quite big birds, quite like a Kia, if you know what one of those looks like. A lot bigger than Pinky. Yeah, they're a lot bigger than Pinky. So Pinky's actually her foot got caught in the door. She was up on the door and the wind got her and the door slammed, and it actually squashed. It's squashed her little toes. And if you could, I don't know if you can see this one. Pinky. Yeah, if you can see that one there, it's got blood on it. And she's ripped it, and this one here, where are we? This one here is a bit squished. So she's nursing her feet at the moment. She's a bit worse for wear, but anyway, sorry, it's not about Pinky, it's about kakas. So check these kakas out, guys. Here we've got a kaka, guys. Been trying to find one for ages.